every once in a while we have someone who wants to give students extra credit for like an end-of-course evaluation, but we want to keep it anonymous, and then you don't know who's done it. So the Angel has a ability to automate the grading of that particular submission. So what we would do is we need to make sure that the survey is set to anonymous, and so we do that by clicking Settings, and then Interaction, and then Make Submissions Anonymous. And if this comes up, you can't have tracking on and that. So what we're going to do is we're going to set user tracking to disabled and make submissions anonymous. Okay, and then click Save. The other thing we need to do, real quick, I forgot, is under the Assignment tab, we need to go ahead and make a new assignment. So I'm going to go ahead and just leave the title blank, and we'll put this under Homework. And it's usually 5 points or something like that. And then we'll leave everything else the same here, and then click Save. Alright, so now we have it's anonymous, and the assignment is created in the gradebook. Now we need to automate it so that once a student submits it, it gives them the 5 extra credit points. To do that, we're going to go to the Automate tab up here at the top. Click OK. And we're going to add a new agent. So we're going to call this End of Course Evaluation. Okay, and we don't know when they're going to do it, so we can't use a scheduled agent, but we can use a content agent. So we'll select that, and then we click Select Content to monitor. And then this is a survey. So we'll go to Survey, and we want to do a specific survey. So we'll grab the course evaluation and then click Add, and then close window. So right now it says when the course evaluation is viewed. Well, that's going to give the students the points once they click on it. So we're going to change that to submitted. So now it's going to run this agent when this particular assignment is submitted. So we'll go ahead and click Next. Okay, and now it's asking for which students do we want to do it for, and we want to do it for anybody. So we'll leave the default settings here and click Next. And then we're going to tell it what to do once course evaluation is submitted. And so that's where we choose our action type. So what we want to do is grade an assignment. So then the options for grade assignment will load. Okay. So we tell it which assignment, and we want to grade course evaluation. So it already puts in the max points from that assignment that we created. We want to do it just for the event originator, the person who submitted it. If we choose any of these other options, like all users or entire class, one student would submit it and then everyone would get the extra credit points. So what we'll do now is we'll say we want to give them 100%, and it'll automatically put in the points for us, or we can put in the points and it'll put in the percentage. We can lock it so that it won't get updated if we grade it through the actual survey tool. And what I usually will do is put, "Thank you for submitting your evaluation. This is an automated message." Okay, so that way they know that this is just automatic. You're not seeing the results. We're keeping it anonymous, but we also are thanking them for doing that. Okay, and then what we'll do is we'll click Next. And so now we'll double check it. Content agent end of course evaluation will run for all users when course evaluation is submitted. It's going to grade that assignment. So then we'll just go ahead and click Save. And now it's ready to go. So as soon as the student submits the end of course evaluation for that particular survey, it'll grade in the gradebook for us automatically, even though it's an anonymous survey. The thing to keep in mind is don't be checking the gradebook constantly, because if one student submits it the first time and you see they got 5 points, then you're going to know the results. And so just kind of be a little bit honest up front. So if you have any other questions, just let us know. Online services at sanjuancollege.edu. Thanks.